It's usually going to be on the snare drum. There's lots of variations, but that's where you're going to hear it the most. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're continuing our conversation on drum sounds by talking about the backbeat. Super important part of a lot of grooves. Usually it's this really strong hit on 2 and 4, and that kind of glues the whole groove together. It's usually going to be on the snare drum. There's lots of variations, but that's where you're going to hear it the most. So you want a really strong snare drum hit. So the way I approach doing that is by hitting my backbeat with a rim shot. So I'm hitting both the rim and the center of the drum. Just come straight down and grab both of them. Really powerful, really forceful, holds the groove together. If I'm playing something more like R&B and funk or soul, I actually kind of bury the stick because it gives it a little bit more fat sound. You know, if I'm playing like a more modern rock thing, I let it ring out and gives it just a little bit more lively character. So think about what you're doing for your backbeat. Make sure it's strong. Try it out, and I'll see you guys next week.